Hello students, I'm Dr. Arun Upneja, Dean of Boston University School of Hospitality Administration, or as we call ourselves, BU Shaw. I would like to invite you to participate in the Mike Oshins Freshman Experience that happens every fall and spring of the academic year. The experience is dedicated to one of Shaw's beloved professors, Dr. Michael Oshins. Professor Oshins devoted 30 years of his life supporting the Shaw community and teaching students the exciting aspects of the hospitality industry. He left an incredible impact on our students and would want all Shaw freshmen to experience Boston's hospitality. During your first year at Shaw, in a series of events spread out over the fall and spring semesters, you will experience the best of what the city of Boston and the hospitality have to offer. You will be receiving details about specific events as the year unfolds, so do keep an eye out for more information on these exciting opportunities. This wonderful experience is supported by many generous donors who believe what Dr. Oshins believed in, to enrich Shaw students with the knowledge of the many areas of the hospitality industry. We hope to see you attend many of these events. Thank you.